Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the review for Vax Homepro cordless vacuum cleaner. I just received this today and I thought I should do a review of unboxing and cleaning of the product with you. I have unboxed the whole package. It's got 4 AH battery. I'm actually very pleased with the accessories which has been included in this box. The car accessory kit, you can see, extra kit, upholstery brush, another pet hair brush, holding mount, that's the holding mount for vacuum cleaner, a unique design of the brush roller, and also the wand. It has 2 settings of power. It looks like it's a very powerful machine. Later on next video I will definitely be doing the cleaning review of this product. Until then, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Thank you.